Hello everyone. As we have completed chapter 11 types of resources in the section of geography class 8, today we are going to discuss its question and answers portion. First question is, what factors determine the actual use of resources? The word determine means find out exactly. The answer is the actual use of the resources depends on their accessibility, the cost of development and utilization, the availability of technology, and the last but not least, the market conditions. The word accessibility means easy to get or use. Next question is, how do some renewable resources become non-renewable? Explain with some examples. As we have discussed renewability topic, under this we have discussed two main category: renewable resources, non-renewable resources. So renewable resources are those resources which can be renewed and replenished within a very shortened period of time, but some renewable resources become non-renewable if they are destroyed by bad management and improper practices. Here the word improper practices means not proper methods of farming or process or procedure. Let us take one example of USA. In the USA, some farmlands have lost their topsoil. Now, what is topsoil? It is a layer of soil in which all plants grow, and it is very important because it contains all nutrients that plants need to survive. As you have seen one diagram of soil profile in the same chapter, and I will attach the diagram so that you can understand very nicely. Next is, higher lands have been eroded. Eroded means the process by which the surface of the earth is tear away or worn away by the action of water, glaciers, wind, waves, etc. And streams and lakes silted up. Now, what is the meaning of silted up? Means it has become blocked. Now, what is the next question? What are the characteristics of necessary to become a resource? Now, characteristics means quality of something that makes it different from other things. Okay? Now, the answer is a resource should satisfy a need or want. Next is, it should be developed and used. It means resources which are surveyed, their quality and quantity have been determined for utilization. Means we are talking about actual resources. On the other hand, one resource we have discussed that were potential resource which are found in a region but have not been utilized. Okay, for example, Rajasthan and Gujarat have untapped wind energy. Next point is, be accessible to humans. Accessible we have discussed means easy to get. Next is, have some value, economic or social. Next point is technology feasible. Feasible means possible. Next question is, how are biotic resources different from abiotic resources? Biotic resources, it refers to living components of an ecosystem. For example, plants, animals, birds, and other organisms. And abiotic resources, it refers to non-living components of an ecosystem. For example, air, soil, water, sunlight, etc. Last question is, what is a human-made resource? Human-made resources are resources that are obtained by modifying natural resources with the help of technology, knowledge, and skill. These are used to convert natural resources into usable forms. For example, machines, vehicles, roads, buildings, mills, etc. Thank you. That's all for the day.